Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Cabinet Maker FDM magazine. We're in the shop today to try out the new belt sharpening attachment that goes on a WorkSharp 3000 sharpening unit, which you may already have in your shop. It's a real versatile unit, great for plane irons and chisels, even do turning gouges, all sorts of neat stuff. But today what we're going to talk about is this belt sharpening system that expands the versatility of it so that you can do knives and scissors. What you get with the attachment is this pulley that screws right on top of the disc mounting area on your sharpening unit, and this guide system, which also has a spring tensioner here. The guide has two sides, one for knives and one for scissors, and both are adjustable for a pretty wide range of angles to get exactly what you need depending on what you're doing. Let's see how it works. You're supposed to draw it through fairly slowly, about 3 times for each side, and you'll feel a burr on the edge. Okay, that's the course. Then to do the tensioner, you just pull it in and twist it so that it locks, which makes it real easy to pull it off. And put a new belt on. This is the medium grit belt. Same procedure. Oops. Let's make sure it's there. Yep. Okay, now we're going to change to the superfine polishing belt. Feels pretty sharp. Let's give it a try. I always like to use old business cards to test sharpness. Works pretty good. And for scissors, you just use the different side of the belt as a gauge and readjust, and it works pretty much the same principle, same way going through. Neat little attachment, adds some versatility to your unit, and definitely worth checking out if you want to expand in that direction. That's what we've got today. If you want to see more reviews on tools, go to our website, www.cabinetmakerfdm.com, and click on the link for videos. That's what we got for today. Thanks for watching.